Negotiating repairs after a home inspection. Negotiating repairs after a home inspection is a common and important step in the home buying process. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you navigate this situation effectively. Review report. Carefully go through the inspection report with your real estate agent, noting major and minor issues. Consult agent. Seek guidance from your real estate agent throughout this process. Prioritize. Focus on major concerns affecting safety and livability. Estimate costs. Research repair costs for better negotiation understanding. Decide requests. Request repairs aligned with your agreement and local norms. Formal request. Submit written repair requests via your agent. Include details and estimates. Compromise. Be open to negotiation and alternative solutions. Negotiate. Seller might accept, reject, or suggest compromises. Seller repairs. Upon agreement, seller arranges repairs before closing. Decide next steps. If no agreement, consider price renegotiation or walking away. Amend agreement. For agreements, your agent should update purchase contract to include repairs. Remember, effective communication and a willingness to find common ground are key to successful negotiations. Having a knowledgeable real estate agent by your side can make this process feel effortless.